Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. In the previous video we worked with this Laravel restaurant reservation system with cloud code and also with local model, but the cloud code, the design of the cloud code was not very good. So in this video I have designed this with the GPT, with Codex, and also with local model, and also with Google Gemini 3.1. So this one was designed with local model, which is a dashboard. So you can see we have a different design here, and you can find this project in the GitHub repository. So if you go to tony-japa/cloud-restaurant-reservation-system, here you also can find, if you want, the plan. Okay, so here's the plan, and you can work with this with what model you like. Also you can make changes like what I'm going to do here. And also this is not finished because the codex, I liked the codex design, and I'm going to work right now with the admin, and I think the codex has finished. If you see the old reservation, yeah, this is the design right now. I think let me just come here on the composer run dev. Yeah, this is how it's looking right now. And I like the codex design. So this one was created with local model. This one was created with the codex. And as you see, it's very good design. It's like creating a Figma, working with Figma, and then apply it here. For that, because I liked this design, I tell also the codex to update the admin part. So the old reservation, which now it looks like this, and also tables which look like this. So now you have this one which is designed by the local, this one with codex, and my reservation is with Gemini 3.1. Also this one is very good. So here we don't have upcoming, past, and all. If we go to Buko table, we navigate the Buko table, which is designed with codex. And here we have step 1 to 4. First is a review table for an evening worth dressing up for. Luxury, dark luxury, live tables, halls, and so on. So let's choose this date, and here now we have the slots. Let's say 1 p.m. or 2 p.m. As you can see, if we go back, you can see here 2 p.m. for example is 8 left, 3 p.m. are 9 tables left. So let's choose 2 p.m. and now I'm going to confirm, and yeah, it's confirmed. So reservation confirmed, your table is secured, and we have this code here. Now we can make another booking, or we can go to my reservation and we can see we have this here. We can cancel, past, all, and then because we are logged in as admin, we can go to all reservations, today, confirmed, pending, guests, live status, filters here. So all reservations, order by date, order by time, as you can see from 10 p.m. now, and we have the quest, the table, the status, action, to confirm or to cancel, to complete or to cancel. And yeah, also on the tables, so we have 4 tables, 14 seats indoor. Outdoor we have 2 tables with 12 seats. On the bar we have 3 tables. Patio we have 2 tables also. Active tables 11. Inactive we have 0, capacity 47, and reservation 26 until now. And here's the table. Active, we can create a new table and we can edit, and we can deactive. Now this is created by AI, so I haven't touched the code. You can try and update yourself. If you like, you can go and clone this repository and work with your AI agent, or you can work manually by yourself and remove or add what you like. So this is what I wanted to show you in this video. And yeah, also the Codex has updated the Codex application. So for example, when I set the edit, it's going to suggest, it's going to open a browser here to show you the project, and you can comment on live on the browser to update what you don't like, and it's going to update in real time like WordPress. That's it all about this video, what I wanted to show you. Now, if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe, like the video and share with your friends. All the best, and I'm going to see you in another one.